Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, the question comes in mind like with the recent layoffs of senior resources, how it's gonna shape the Indian IT industry. Are all the seniors are gonna be laid off sooner or later, or how it will be? So related to this, I want to share my opinion. Just want to clarify, like just to give you some introduction about me. I have more than 18 years of IT experience. I have worked across multiple organizations, multiple geographies, multiple domains, you name it. Okay, multiple time zones, you name it. So guys, first of all, not every senior employee is gonna lose their job. There will be senior employees are gonna be in the industry, because you need to understand an an industry like Indian IT service based industry works in the pyramid structure. So there are gonna be some top level people, those who gonna direct. But yes, there'll be cuts, especially with the use of AI, because AI improves efficiency of almost everyone, not just junior employees, even senior employees too. For example, if I'm a manager and I'm managing a team of 10 people, with the use of AI, when my efficiency increases and my capabilities boom, I can manage two teams then, right? Why not? Same thing goes for workers too. I mean to say that technocraft, those who are working, they can also increase their efficiency with the use of AI. So maybe earlier, if I needed 5 people to join my team, maybe I just need two. So there'll be cuts too. But human count would already be there. Don't worry that everything is not going to be automated, because someone has to be there to review what AI is doing and has to work along with AI. Okay, that's why I'm using this word along. So this we need to understand, especially those who can learn newer technologies, those who can configure the AI to meet organization goals. They are gonna be in good demand and position. So the time is really high, guys. We all have to upgrade our skills, upgrade our knowledge, and upgrade our methodologies. Old modus operandis are not gonna help us a lot. Sooner or later, it's gonna impact everyone. So we all have to work not just hard, but smart. Hard and smart. It's not the old days rule that slow and steady wins the race. It's now fast, steady, and smart win the race. Okay, everything you have to be like an expert of everything. This is how this world is shaping. Older methods may not work anymore, or at least for long duration. So this is what I wanted to say, guys. I hope my message is clear, loud, and if you still have any question, you can say. Just to summarize, not everyone is gonna lose their job. Don't worry about that. But yeah, you have to upgrade yourself. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.